something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a pretty short video today. I'm just going to be updating you on what I've done throughout the week. We've gotten the rest of the boys' rooms done, which is awesome. And I've also finished their bathroom as well. So I'm so excited to show you what everything is looking like. So let me go ahead and turn the camera around so I can show you what we have. Okay, so we're in my oldest son's room. I'm so excited to show you everything that we've done. So as you know, last week I painted this accent wall like a gray color. I did one coat of paint. I am still going to be doing a second coat of paint. I haven't gotten to it yet, so hopefully that'll be done this week. And then next Sunday, I'll be able to show you what that looks like. Just with the one coat of paint, the wall looks really good. So I'm really loving it. I also bought this very nice large clock that's going to go on this wall here, right in the center above my son's bed, and I think it'll look really cute, and it'll of course give that farmhouse vibe, and I just think it is such a cute clock. I love this like rustic white and brownish look around the entire clock, and it's all Roman numerals. Just absolutely beautiful. I got this clock from the at-home store, and this clock was $80, so I just love it. I think it's really cute. It'll give a nice, cute, rustic farmhouse accent to my son's room. So like I said, this clock is gonna go right above his bed on this wall after I do second coat of paint this week. So also, I finally got his nightstand put together. I'm so happy. So this is his nightstand that goes with his bed, and I also bought this really cute lamp here. I thought this was just so adorable. Silverish metal type here at the top of the lamp, and that trim falls all the way down to the base of the lamp, and then the base of the lamp itself is black. So I just thought this was really cute, and it tied in so well with the theme that we're going with my son's room, that more like rustic vibe, as well as the nightstand. And it's just a one drawer nightstand. There's a lot of space in the drawer. I thought this was really cute, and this would go well, tie in well with my son's theme and the color of his bed. And then I added this beautiful throw across the bed. I love this. It's so plush, it's so soft, and I got this from Target. It was about, I want to say it was about $30, $30 or $40. Very cute, and I thought this would go great across his bed and match the colors in his room well. And I feel like, you know, like if he doesn't want to, you know, let's say get totally under the covers, he has this throw he can cover up and get warm if he needs to. And then of course you guys already have seen the pillows on the bed and the bedding I showed you a little while ago. So I went with this blue and white checkered pattern, which I thought was really cute with the gold, with the one gold pillow as an accent. Then I also picked up this really cute map. So you know my oldest son, he loves maps. So I picked this up from the at-home store. Really cute. I love the dark background with the white writing on it. I believe this was about $50 at the at-home store. So I thought it would look really nice up against this wall, to have a dark picture up against a light colored wall. And then of course, like I said, we're gonna put this light colored clock up against this dark colored wall, and it should contrast nicely, both of these. So I love this map. It's just really cute. I love the color, and I thought it would go great with his room. And then also over here, I finally got his dresser put together. Really nice, and it actually matches the nightstand. So this is really cute, and it's a 6-drawer dresser. It actually has a lot of space, and it holds, you know, everything very well. There's plenty of space inside the drawer. I put his TV on top there, so that looks really nice. And he has his Apple TV device here with his Apple remote, so he can watch TV. So I just thought that it looks really nice. The dresser looks really good, and it fits perfectly right in this space. Let me actually close the door. so you can see the whole wall space. So yeah, I think it fits really well right in this space. And I just left a little bit of room here so that when you open the door, it doesn't like totally like hit, you know, the door doesn't hit right up against the dresser and damage the dresser. So I think it looks perfect right there. And then of course, we finally got his desk put together. So this looks really awesome. I got these desks from Amazon. They were about, I think $60 or $70 for the desk. And then I picked up this little office chair from Walmart for him. The office chair was about $30, so very cute. And I thought this would be great for him to like be able to come home, sit down at his desk in his room and do his homework. And then he has his laptop and his headphones and everything on here. I also picked up this little like file organizer for him so he could, you know, organize like his schoolwork. And then I also picked up this pencil cup where he could put pens and pencils in here, as well as scissors or any other supplies that he has. So yeah, it looks really cute, and I think it looks nice right over here in between the two windows. And then of course, we already talked about this picture up here that he had already. I showed you all from a previous video. So looks really nice. And then of course, his curtains tie in well with the color of his room. And then we talked about these two baskets over here. They look really great over here next to his bed, and they just have like books, and then all his like cords and wires for his games are stored in there. So let me show you his closet. I'm working on trying to organize his closet. I bought these baskets up here from the at-home store, and I'm just storing like extra school supplies for him and any other extra items in these baskets. So that's what we have up there. And this one's like a little bit crooked, so I'll fix that. But yeah, so that's what we have up here. So just somewhere to store like his extra things in those white baskets, which I thought was a great organizational tool. They were only like $6 for each basket. And then of course his clothing items here, and then his shoes and stuff are down here. So yeah, so that's his closet. Let me take you now to my other son's room. Actually, let me fix this stool. It fell over. So, and then you guys know I bought these little beanbag stools here. I bought those from the at-home store. They were about $70 a piece. So I bought 2 of those just so my son would have like extra seating in his room. And then also, I forgot to tell you, so I switched out the rug. I got this rug from Walmart. I thought it would be better if he had like a dark colored rug against the light colored bedding. So I felt like this would match and tie in well with the light colored bedding. And I got rid of the light gray rug. I think this looks a lot better. Let me know what you guys think. If you think this dark rug ties in well with my son's bedding and all of the colors in his room, I think it looks really well. So this is my son's room right now. I think it looks really good. Like I said, we're pretty much done. I'm just going to be adding a second coat of paint this week, and then putting this clock in the center of that wall. And then that's pretty much going to be it for my oldest son's room. Let me go ahead and show you my youngest son's room. So we're going to go out, and over here, this is my youngest son's room. So I'm so excited to show you his room. My youngest son is pretty simple. He's also pretty simple. He doesn't want a whole lot of, color and extra things going on in his room. So let's start with the curtains. I bought these blue curtains from the at-home store. They were extremely affordable. They were only like $14 a piece. My youngest son, he loves the color blue, so I got these blue curtains. They're just absolutely beautiful, and I think they go really well as far as with his room and the colors that we have going on. My youngest son likes blue, and he likes black, so that's what we're trying to stick to as far as colors in his room. And then I also picked up a desk for my youngest son as well. Same thing, I picked up this desk from Amazon for my youngest son. It was about $60 or $70. And then also the same office style chair for him I picked up from Walmart for $30. So I thought that was really cute for him to have. So he'll have somewhere to sit and study and do his work after school. And then I picked up this really gorgeous picture. Oh my gosh, everyone, like, I love this picture. My youngest son actually picked this out himself. I just think it is so cute. I just want to get a close-up so you can see it. It's just like this cool picture of this bear, and it's like all kinds of different colors in here, and I just thought it was really nice. So yeah, so I just absolutely, like I said, I love this picture. I think it goes well with the colors in my son's room. But yeah, so let me show you what else. So the bed that he picked out, actually my youngest son picked out this bed. He wanted a platform style bed. So he picked out this bed. It is extremely durable and sturdy, and it is awesome. And it didn't take long to put together. I actually paid someone to come in and assemble the bed for me. So he absolutely loves this bed. And then I just picked up some really nice bedding from Target. So I picked up this white bedding, everything my youngest son picked out. So I didn't pick any of this out. So I picked up some white bedding and 4 pillows. So he has blue sheets and pillowcases, and then the white pillowcases that match the bedding. And then I did actually pick out this pillow. I thought it would be really cute and tie in well with the colors on his bed. And then I also picked out another throw, this orange throw, which I thought would look really cute and match and tie in well with the orange in that picture of the bear on the wall. So it just looks really nice. And then I wanted something to store my youngest son's books in. So I picked up this cool chest from the At Home store. As you guys can tell, I get everything from the At Home store. I love that store. But I picked up this really cool chest. It was like $40, $50. And I thought this was so cute for him to have, and have this like right in front of his bed. And it's just gonna like store all of his books inside here. It's very spacious, and so I just thought that was a really great idea. So yeah, and then as you can see, he has this gray colored accent rug on the floor. So this is actually in my oldest son's room, and I thought I would bring it over here. I think it looks good and it matches pretty well with his bedding. And then I also have up here a clock above my youngest son's bed as well. I actually got this clock from Target. It was only $17, which was really awesome, and I think it's really great and it ties in well with his room. It's a Roman numeral clock. And then I picked up this nightstand, which matches my youngest son's dresser. It's just a 1-drawer nightstand, and it has a lot of storage space in here to hold his items. And then my youngest son just wanted this little clock. It's like an alarm clock, and so I just put that here as a decorative piece on my son's nightstand. And then I picked up this cute little gray lampshade for his room. I got that from Target as well. I believe it was about like $40 or $50. And then on this side, this is my youngest son's dresser. So the dresser matches with the nightstand. This is my youngest son's TV in his room. And then these are his backpacks hanging on his door. And then let me show you the inside of his closet, which we're not totally done organizing either, but he has up here some baskets. His baskets are black, and there's some other stuff up here that I'm gonna have to like take down and organize properly, but those are his baskets. And then he has a few of his toys up there as well, and then all of his coats and things like that, and then some of his shoes on the floor. Yeah, so that is my youngest son's closet, and like I said, this is his room, which I think looks really great. So let me go ahead and show you their bathroom and show you what that is looking like. We're just gonna go around the corner here. So here's their bathroom. I showed you all last time. This is what it's looking like right now. And I did buy this little cute sign to put up here on the wall, and it just has like little sayings on here, bathroom rules. I thought was really cute and would go well in their bathroom. And then I picked up these two little cute signs to put above the toilet. So I thought these were really cute and would tie in well. So yeah, so this is how their bathroom is looking. And then of course, like I said, they have a little trash can there. Yeah, so this is pretty much how their bathroom is looking. I'm not gonna be doing too much of anything else with this bathroom. Pretty much have everything here. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is the hallway, and I do want to address this upstairs area. I want to add like some runners, some rugs here down this way, and then also a rug going down this way. And then of course put some nice pictures on the walls up here in the hallway. And then of course right here, as you go down the steps, I do want to put a rug right down here. And then I did buy curtains for this window. I just haven't put them up yet, but I do want to make sure I put up the curtains for this window and show you all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around so I can chat with you all. Okay, so that's pretty much it for both of my boys' rooms. We are pretty much done, like I said, with their rooms, with everything that I was going to do with their rooms. I do want to, my goal is to focus on, you know, finish decorating all of the upstairs. What's going to happen next is going to be my bedroom. So I'm going to start decorating my bedroom piece by piece, and then the laundry room. And then I also do want to, you know, like I said, decorate this upstairs hallway area. So I want to, you know, address that and take care of all up here. And then once we get the upstairs done, I'm going to move to the downstairs and start decorating all of the downstairs area. By then, my sofa and other furniture for the downstairs area should be here, because all of the furniture for the downstairs is scheduled to come in November. So that all should be here by the time I get to decorating downstairs. I wanted to start with decorating upstairs because this is where we sleep at. This is where we spend most of our time as far as like, you know, wanting to relax and take it easy after work and after school. So, you know, I wanted to start with decorating the upstairs area first and then work our way downstairs. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think about both of my boys' rooms decor. If you like it, if you don't like it, let me know what you don't like. Let me know if you think there's anything I should add to the rooms and their bathroom as well. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I will see you all next week. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, talk to you all later. Bye.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better.